What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I recently just got the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and by the way, if you hear some noise in the background, it's raining outside, so it's really nothing I can do too much about that. But like I said, I just got the S22 Ultra, and I do want to share a couple of the cases that I got for it and kind of unbox them, show you the different colors, and talk about if they're good or not, and do I recommend them. But before I do begin, I just want to thank you guys for watching these videos and supporting the channel. It really does mean a lot. But without further delay, let's start this video and take a look at the leather covers for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Okay, so it looks like, it's going to change from phone to phone in your color. I have the green right here. It's like a dark phantom green, but they just named it green. Oh well, nonetheless, it's a really solid phone. I absolutely love. It's a really thick phone too. But let's take a look at the leather covers. I'm first going to dive right into this burgundy leather cover. Now, last year with my S21, I haven't had the greatest experience. I got the leather cover in brown, and it just starts getting scratched real easily. In fact, I want to see if I scratch it, like you'll see the scratches. You do. You do see the scratches real easily. Like if I just dig it in a little bit further, you're going to see those scratches. But with this leather cover, it's a little bit more premium. And let's see, the camera cutouts look to be precise and flush. So when I put it on the phone, it's probably going to stay, really flush with it. So we're going to see how well that handles with a drop test. Although I'm not going to perform one in this video, but I like how the power and volume buttons, they are not embedded into, or they're not made of leather either. So when you actually put on the phone just like this, if we can, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but it's still really, clicky. I like that. But now that we put it on, there we go. There is the burgundy on the S22 Ultra, and honestly, I like this. I like this burgundy color. Like I said, it sits really flush, so when it's on a table, it's not going to rock back and forth. Whereas if you just have the phone itself without any case, it's going to rock back and forth. So that's a big plus. Now, the big thing that comes to my mind when I have a case on this phone is I've never had a Note phone, so this is my first time, but how is the S Pen and how easy is it to, take out? And it's not too bad. Obviously, it's protecting this area too, which is normal, but nonetheless, it should be fairly easy to take out the S Pen, which it was. So if I just want to create a note or, do screen write, let's do screen write. There we go. And be like, yeah, there we go. It's got its own noise. Listen. Ooh. Anyway, I think we can maybe change the color of that to, let's do like blue. There we go. Wow. I like that. And it's super responsive too, 2.8 millimeters latency. Anyway, let's go back to this burgundy cover case. So it does have a little bit of a raise here, so it does protect just a little bit of that curved display. And the curve on the S22 Ultra is not too drastic. I actually like it. I think every year Samsung has kind of stepped back from having a really drastic curve. I guess maybe next year with S23 Ultra, we'll get a flat display. Who knows? But I really do like this, and I like how this burgundy looks, especially in its leather cover. They have a silicone cover as well in the same color, burgundy, but that's a separate video on the channel. So nonetheless, I like this. But let's take a look at black. And the reason why I got these different types of colors, it's, first of all, before I say that, it is a bit difficult to take off this case. Okay, let's go ahead. There we go. It's not as easy as a silicone, obviously. But the reason why, I bought these two leather cover cases. I could have picked up more, but I didn't want to get all the colors. But I just picked up two of these colors to just take a look and see how they look on the phone and how they go with the green itself. So let's go ahead and take out the black right here. I think black is the most, it's a generic color. It's a color that really goes with a lot of things. Again, it's made of the same material. It's like this. I don't think it's going to be real leather at this point. I'd have to, look into that. Or if you do know, let me know if it's actually real leather or not. But camera cutouts are still flush. I like how the power and volume button placements, they have these extra parts to it. It's not a part of the leather, whereas for the silicone, it kind of is part of that silicone if we take a look right here. So you still feel that click, which I really do appreciate. But it's got that boxy design. And let's go ahead and put it on the S22 Ultra in green. There we go, just like that. And bam, there is the S22 Ultra green in the black leather case. And I think this one just is the most generic, the most normal color of them all. So don't expect too much from this color. I think if you want to spruce things up, get a burgundy or get a different color of the leather cover case. I'll be leaving links in the description down below if you are interested. And obviously, let's just try out the S Pen test again. See how easy it is. It felt a little bit easier than the silicone for some odd reason, but I like how S Pen is included in the S22 Ultra. Definitely something that I really do appreciate. But nonetheless, these cover cases are going to be a little bit more pricey than the silicone cover cases from Samsung. I'll leave the exact, like I said, the links in the description down below if you do want to check them out and support the channel. But that's really been it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. And also thank you guys for watching these videos and supporting the channel. It really does mean a lot. Anyway, that's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.